What is up, trumpet fam? Today we're talking about the 5 best ways to absolutely annihilate your endurance. Number 1, jam the trumpet through your face. My favorite one, all right? Everyone goes to it. They sound great for one song, and then it's all done. So what's happening there? Your musculature in the face isn't strong enough for the air, so you're blowing super hard, so you pull the trumpet, so you blow harder, so you pull the trumpet, so you blow harder, so you pull the trumpet. Vicious cycle. All of it just takes strain on your lips. That's another way to get nerve damage. Number 2, right? Don't breathe properly. This sort of breathing, not going to be conducive to getting a tone. It's going to be endurance killing. Number 3, never play more than 80%. Each trumpet that you play has an acoustical sweet spot. Once you go past it, it's like putting the foot right down, the pedal to the metal. All right? Once you go past that 80%, you're done for. You're throwing the kitchen sink at it. It's gone. Right? Over and done with Sign Me Out, last song. Coast at 80% or less the entirety of the gig. Only go forward if you're going to have like a set break or something. Go 85, maybe 90. You never ever want to go at 100%. What does that mean? If your range is high Gs, maybe don't play lead on a song that has 45 high Gs. Don't know. Right? What was that? Number 3. Number 4, okay, is overblowing the trumpet. Using tremendous amount of air. We've all heard more air equals high notes, which is wrong. All right, we've spoken tons about it. What happens is you actually overblow the trumpet and it becomes harder. Less is more. Number 5, and my favorite one, we're going to have a 2-part in this. Mouthpiece too high. When the mouthpiece is too high, you're going to put pressure on your active lip, not the passive lip. We shouldn't put our pressure on the passive lip. So if our active lip is the top one, if you put it all on the bottom, all of the weight of the whole trumpet is jammed on that one place. It's going to cause you nerve damage, okay? You don't want that. Make sure you're setting up properly. Make sure that the angle of the trumpet is dictated by the T structure behind the muscular structure, not what your band leader wants to hear. Not one gig is worth messing up your entire future of your trumpet playing on. All right? That's it. Now, the mental game. Warm up. Hear yourself. If you can't hear yourself, put earplugs in. Play slightly into something to get the sound back. The back of someone's body. Back of a chair. A little bit of your stand. But don't be that person that solely plays in the stand there. Everyone in the section can hear you and not themselves. So if you're interested in more tips on destroying your trumpet playing or what not to do, follow this page. We're going to be diving into a lot of different things and concepts and mental game. The trumpet is 90% above the ears. In a game of tennis, check that book out. Check it out. Follow my page for more tips and I'll see you on the next one. See you, cats.